Hi, you guys, and welcome back to my channel on this beautiful, lovely day. Okay, because the day is beautiful and it is lovely. Guess what? Why not me go outside and work out on these legs? Okay, like for real. With that being said, let's go out here and get it. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 24, woo, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to make it harder, just a little bit. Because it's this right here. These big old thighs. Okay? I think I'm going to try to round it off with 100 squats. What y'all think? Woo! Leaning back, okay? I'm starting to feel that. But I'm going to add some more weight. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, woo, 17, 18, 19, 20. Guess what? Yeah, I'm feeling it. Oh, yes. Okay? Like, yeah, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 8, 9, 30. Yes. Woo. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, I want that line. Okay? Okay? But I threw a little more weight on there. Let nothing stop you when it comes to taking care of your body. Okay? Your mental health, your body, whatever you have to do to take care of you. Okay? Like I say, as long as it's not hurting anybody. So yeah, let me just keep going. I lost count. It's getting hard. I'm feeling the burn. Yes, I am. Woo. Woo. Bang out some squats. I let this be my guide right here, like I'm taking a seat. 28, 29, 30. Goodness gracious. That's 30. Come on. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40. I can count this time. 10 more. 40, 41, 42, 3, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh, can I do 50 more? My mind is telling me yes. Okay, so let's see. Okay, that's 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 9. Is that 60 or 70? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 68, 69, 70, 30 more. 30 more, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10 more. All right, take a seat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, honey. Okay, as you can see, the sweat. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, okay? And with that being said, I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free and you're doing the things that you love to do. Peace. I'm out.